Looking for the best LED headlights in 2025? We've tested and reviewed the top 3 brightest, most efficient, and long-lasting LED headlights to enhance your night driving experience. Whether you want better visibility, stylish design, or improved safety, these picks will upgrade your ride. Stay tuned as we break down their features, pros, and cons to help you choose the perfect fit. Let's dive in. Number 3. The Partsam 2025 H6054 LED headlights are an excellent upgrade for older vehicles, providing both modern aesthetics and superior illumination. Inspired by the eagle-eye design, these headlights feature a unique startup and shutdown animation, sequential turn signals, and bright DRLs, adding a bold and stylish look to your vehicle. Performance-wise, these headlights offer DOT-approved high and low beams, ensuring clear and safe visibility. The anti-glare polycarbonate lens and high-quality aluminum housing provide durability, heat dissipation, and resistance to harsh weather conditions. The 45W LED power significantly improves visibility compared to stock halogen lights, making night driving much safer. Installation is mostly straightforward, with an H4 plug-and-play design, though some wiring may be required to connect the DRL and turn signals. Users mention that wiring the halos to switch power and blinkers is the only slightly tricky part, but it's manageable with basic automotive knowledge. Customer reviews highlight the dramatic improvement in brightness and visibility, with some users describing it as a night and day difference from stock headlights. They fit well and look sleek and modern once installed. For those wanting a stylish, high-performance LED headlight upgrade, the Partsam 2025 H6054 headlights are a fantastic choice that balances looks, brightness, and functionality. Number 2. The WmCorner 4x6 LED headlights are a game-changer for anyone needing a brighter, more reliable lighting upgrade for their truck or classic vehicle. DOT-approved and built to last, these 60W headlights provide a crisp 6,500K pure white light, ensuring maximum visibility while keeping oncoming drivers safe with a sharp and precise cutoff line. One standout feature is the IP67 waterproof rating, meaning these headlights can withstand harsh weather conditions without fogging or condensation buildup. This durability is further reinforced by the aluminum alloy housing, designed for efficient heat dissipation and a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. Whether you're driving through rain, snow, or dusty work sites, these lights hold up impressively well. Installation is hassle-free with a plug-and-play design that takes only 20 minutes. The package includes all necessary accessories and instructions, making it easy even for those with minimal experience. Customers rave about the exceptional brightness, stating it outperforms other LED headlights they've tried. Drivers appreciate the solid build quality and improved nighttime clarity, making it a worthy investment for truckers, off-roaders, and daily drivers alike. If you're looking for high-performance, long-lasting LED headlights, the WmCorner 4x6 LED headlights are an excellent choice, bright, durable, and built for the road. Number 1. If you own a 1999 to 2002 Chevy Silverado, 2000 to 2006 Suburban, or Tahoe, these Ramjet 4x4 LED headlights are an essential upgrade. Designed with modern LED technology, they offer brighter, clearer, and safer nighttime driving compared to the old halogen setups. With 9,400 lumens for high beams and 5,000 lumens for low beams, visibility is significantly improved, ensuring no blind spots or dim areas. One of the biggest advantages is the Z-shaped cutoff line, which prevents glare for oncoming traffic while still illuminating the road ahead effectively. Additionally, the built-in DRLs and side markers enhance daytime visibility and safety. The DOT and SAE approval ensures they meet safety standards, while the IP67 waterproof rating guarantees they withstand harsh weather conditions. Installation is quick and simple, thanks to the plug-and-play design taking just 20 to 30 minutes. The package includes all necessary components, and the OEM fit ensures a seamless look. Some minor adjustments may be needed for perfect alignment, but 2 adjuster screws make this process easy. Users rave about the incredible brightness, modernized look, and improved safety these headlights offer. If you're looking to transform your Chevy's lighting performance, the Ramjet 4x4 LED headlights are a no-brainer purchase. That wraps up our review of the top 3 best LED headlights for 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more car accessory reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and drive safely with the best headlights out there. See you in the next video.